So you're here because you heard Nowsite has a new back office and you want to see it. I'm going to show it to you. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, including this one. And hey, I got another treat for you. You know, you've been following me for a long time now when it comes to Nowsite, right? I mean, we're going on 5 years now. 5 years with the company. I mean, we could say that this is not a fly-by-night situation or we're just chasing shiny objects here, right? So I've been a part of this company since it was called Royalty. Okay, so if you've been following me that long, you know what I'm talking about. Remember them beacons? So we went through so many different changes and transformations throughout the years, but it's all been for the better because we've been scaling it up ever since. So now, Nowsite has evolved their back office and they have streamlined everything. And I want to show it to you and show you exactly what you can come to expect when you join Nowsite. All right. So as you can see, things have been cleaned up, streamed down. Everything is real easy to navigate through now. So when you come to your back office, you come up here and you come to this tab where it says Insight. Now what Insight is a new feature. And I'm going to break down all these features in another video, like one by one, like this with this feature, this with this feature. But for right now, let me just break everything down as a whole. So what Insight does is it lets you know what is actually being presented, or excuse me, where am I going with this, right? Come on. What Insight does is what Insight is allows you to know what your prospect did. So for instance, if you sent them a text, right, or you sent them a video that you want them to watch, well, Insight will let you know that your prospect actually clicked on it. Okay, so that's what you see right here with the prospect tracking, where you can see exactly what your prospect actually did, and you can put the information in there and then get a detailed report back. Again, we're going to go through every single one of these tools as a whole as a standalone situation, but right now I'm just going to fly through it so you can kind of just get a quick glimpse of what we have. Also, the app has been updated, so everything you see here can also be accessed through the app. I'll do another presentation on the Nowsite app as well. All right, so the analytics have been beefed up. The analytics looks way more intuitive, way better, as you can see, easy to comprehend what you're looking at, you know, and yeah, this is awesome as well. Okay, then we got the team section, of course, you know, one of my sections I love because this is where we get to put things that we want for our team to have. So for instance, if I want my team to have softwares, if I want teams to have access to the websites I created. So let's go to let's see all the websites. These are all the websites I created. If they want to have it, they can just come right here, click it, and then look, add to websites. And now they have the same thing. So pretty cool. The chat feature. Now remember, we've already had the chat feature, but one thing that Nowsite has brought back, and I am so happy that they did, was now I can send push notifications out to my team again. I used to be able to do it way back in the days and they took it away. Now we can actually send push notifications. So when we send out a chat here and I send something out to the whole team, then everybody's going to get that notification. You know what I mean? That's a part of this chat as well. So it's pretty cool. Okay. So that's this section. Okay. As you can see, you look over there to the left, everything's just been, like I said, streamlined, let you know exactly what it is. So now we go to networking, right? Now, networking is basically a couple different things. It's your contacts, all right? Then it's the contact enhancement tool. Now, what the contact enhancement tool does is it lets you be able to get an analysis of your prospect. Like for instance, I might have a prospect like this, Larry Fobbs, right? And then all I have to do is plug his email in. So let's go kind of see what we're talking about. I plug his email in, right? And then I enhance the contact. And then I get this basic information back. I'll get some emails. I might get a social media, you know, so forth and so on. But then once I do a detailed analysis, okay, when I hit this one right here, step 2, analyze personality, then it gives me a lot more data. So step 1, it give me this. Okay, it give me the skills, it give me the hobbies, household financials, you know, and this could be a significant information for you to know when you're trying to reach out. Like for instance, it tells me how much he's worth right here, right? The financial. So I'll know if I could pitch a certain type of program to him or not. Like if I want to pitch a high ticket program to him, then I can see, do you even make enough yearly that you can afford this type of program, right? Then I might want to come present something different, something a little bit lower if they can't. So Very, very beneficial. But check this out. When I go right here into the personality analyst, that's when it gets more detailed. So I can see the behavior, the stressors, things that he likes and don't like. What's the best way to reach out right here? Sales tactics. What's the best way to reach out to him? Things that he will respond to versus what he won't respond to. Look, when giving a pitch to Larry, it tells you what you should be saying. When presenting and using visual aids, how they should look. Very, very beneficial to a prospect that you reaching out to for the first time or trying to see what they're about. So that's what networking is, and that's over here to the left as well. Then you have marketing. So everything that has to do with marketing, right? Your websites, your emails, your SMS texts, and social media, your ads, domains, all that right now is under marketing now. Now you can access it real easy right here under one place. There go your email campaigns. Here go your SMS texting, okay? And here goes your social media posts. Remember, we still do 3-click marketing. We still do a post that they suggest for you to post on the daily, so forth and so on, okay? You can still do ads right here at the back. These are retargeting ads. So when people click on it, then they'll be retargeted numerous times, And then you can still buy your domains right out the back office. You don't even have to go to GoDaddy. You can buy your domain from here, attach it. Okay? Simple, right? Simple. Okay? Of course, you want to refer a friend. We still got the affiliate program right here. Okay? Right here, nerd services is where you'll actually be able to have a nerd do these things for you. Okay? So if you want them to build you out an email campaign, a blog post, SMS campaign, social media post, now you can hire a nerd to do it for you. Now we still got the travel rewards. As you can see right here, I got over $10,000 worth of rewards, and I get to cash those in for travel benefits and things like that. Then that Nowsite has to offer. So you see, we go to Nowsite rewards, and I can use them right here. You can see right here I have a $10,000 balance, and I can use them for trips, rental cars, homes, reservations, hotels, you name it. I got it. As you can see, top brands. We're not. This isn't just some a rigmarole, rinky dink, service that nobody's going to care about. These are actually equivalent to the same reservation that you would book on Travelocity and things like that. You know what I'm saying? And they're actually very, very, very affordable. If I go show you like some hotels and something, let's go choose like any date. Let's just choose a date. Okay. But if I go show you some hotel reservations, and just go see what some of these bookings look like what these savings will look like compared to if you would have booked with someone else. You can see right here. So these are some of the spots, and you can see, this one savings, $297 savings, $87, $77, $57. So, you can see that these are some real good savings. You can even book it by if I only want to do 5 stars, I want to look at the best of the best. And then, you can see them right here. Okay. So, real powerful stuff. Nowsite never disappoints. And as you can see, everything is very, 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 very easy to navigate through and really easy to access. Okay. So this is the Nowsite new back office. If you like what you see and you're ready to get started today with Nowsite, then simple. Click getmoneylikeaboss.com. You can see the link right there below, and we'll get you going. Or if you got questions, hey, I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. If you want to have access to everything I got going on, you want to see, how I really get money like a boss, then you can do this. Text money, okay? Text the word money to 702-553-3326, okay? And then I'll give you a list of my income opportunities. Also, if you look above, you've been seeing that the whole time, right? You see that scan me? Well, if you scan that with your phone, just put your phone to it, open up your camera, and then scan that, then it'll also give you a list of my opportunities that I'm currently in. If you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button. That's right, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you get notified when I do these kind of videos. All right? All right. Well, that's all I got for you today. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one. Like I said, I'm about to do in-depth review of all of these services, okay? One by one. All right, so be on the lookout for that. I appreciate you. See you on the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.